Every year, millions of students graduate from school, but many still don't know how to make money. In school, we learn math, history, and science, but almost nothing about money. Students memorize formulas for exams, then forget them after the test. But schools rarely teach budgeting, investing, or starting a business. In many American schools, students are trained to become workers, not business owners. The education system was originally designed during the industrial age. Factories needed disciplined workers who followed instructions. That's why schools focus on grades, rules, and fixed schedules. But real life rewards creativity, communication, and problem solving. Today, people can make money online from anywhere. Some create YouTube channels, others sell products or freelance skills. Yet many students finish school without learning these opportunities. Financial education is often treated as optional instead of essential. Imagine if schools taught investing, taxes, and entrepreneurship early. Students could learn how money grows instead of only how tests work. The internet now gives everyone the chance to learn these skills themselves. The most successful people keep learning even after school ends. So maybe the real lesson is this: never stop educating yourself about money.